Students, now we will measure the angles. Look at this. Here OA and OB are two rays. When two rays intersect with each other, they form an angle. जब दो लाइंस आपस में इंटरसेक्ट करते हैं, टकराते हैं, तो वो एक एंगल बनाती हैं. Here OA and OB are two rays. OA ray 1 and OB ray 2. When they intersect with each other, at that point, the point called is vertex. The point will be vertex point. Now we will measure the angle. Look at this. This is the protractor and this is the center point of the protractor, and this is the bottom line of this protractor. This is the bottom line. Look at this very carefully. This is the bottom line of the protractor. Now put the center point of the protractor on the vertex point of the angle and also join the bottom lines of the angle and the protractor like this. Now look at this. We always start from 0, 0, 10, 20. Here two numbers are there, 180, 170, 160. But we will start from 0 and we will take the inner part of the protractor. Here this ray OA is going through 50 degree. So the angle will be the 50 degree. Now we will measure the second angle. Here we have to measure angle XOY. Look at this. O is the vertex point and XO is ray 1 and OY is ray 2. Now put the protractor on the vertex point and match the bottom lines also. Look at this. This OX ray is going through 90. Is going through 90, 80, 90, 100. So the angle will be 90 degree. Now we will measure this angle. Look at this. This is the bottom line and we will put the protractor on the vertex of the angle and match the bottom lines of both protractor and the angle. Look at this. This angle is going through 110. Is going through 110 degree. So the angle of MON is 110 degree. Now we will measure few more angles. Look at this angle. We have to find out the value of angle PQR. Look at this. Q is the vertex point. We will put the protractor on the vertex point and also match the bottom lines. Now look at this. Here ray is going to left side and 0 is on the outer part. So we will start from the 0 and 0 is on the upper part. Look at this. Now we will measure the upper part, not the inner part. So the angle will be, the ray is going through 60 degree. So the angle will be 60 degree. Look at this. This is also, the ray is going to left side. We will put the protractor on the vertex point. Look at this. Now we will measure the outer part, not the inner part, because when the ray is going to left, we will start from upper part, and when the ray is going to right side, we will start from inner part. Look at this. The ray is going to left side, so we will start from this 0, not 180. 10, 0, 10, 20 and so on. The ray is going through 120 now. So the angle X, Y, Z is 120 degree. Now we will draw some angles. Look at this. First we will draw 30 degree angle. First we draw a bottom line. Let this is the vertex point and the ray is going to right side. Now put the protractor on the vertex point and also match the bottom lines both. Now when the ray is going to right side, we will take this 0 and the inner side 0, 10, 20, 30. This is the 30 degree. So match both the points like this. And this is the angle of 30 degree. Okay, now we will measure one more angle. First we draw the bottom line. Now we will measure this point as the vertex point. This time ray is going to left side, so we match both the points, and now we have to draw 105 degree angle. 105 means in between 100 and 110 here. Now match both the points. This is the angle of 105 degree. Now we will draw one more angle. First we draw the bottom line. Now you can choose this point or this point as vertex as you want. Okay, now this time I will choose this point as the vertex point and the ray will go to right side. Match the vertex point, and if the ray is going to right side, we will start from this 0 and we have to draw 70 degree angle. We will take inner part. This is the 70. So this will now match both the dots. This is the angle of 70 degree.